Halo, Miss. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. My name is Fatir Anwar Ali, and I will be to explain tulis action contract draft. I'm from the local F Faculty of Law UPN Veteran Jakarta. So this is my contract to explain and the example for this. Okay, so this is my contract. To I am put to employment contract. Employment contract is the William Smith and Illinois America Water Co. So the effective that is 5 March 2019. So the structure in the employment contract William Smith and Illinois to the heading and employment performance of that is duties and responsibility and specific job related to duties. So one to heading. So one to heading for structure. One to be it now. Be it now to the refer to as employer. They locate the Harbor Bridge. So uh, in the witness, therefore, to the structure two. So there's above parties inter agreement to the instrument term to condition employment of the above name employed by William Smith. And then, therefore, it consideration of the mutual convenience to the legally binding by the employer and the employee as follows. Uh, less employment. William Smith and the company operating to Harbor Bridge, this Illinois is American Water in position marketing. This is a for structure to this. Next, performance of studies. Performance of studies explained to the North American Water Club. So agreed a talk have his period employment to the responsibility, the typical within the scope and characteristic associated with this position. And then the employer not exclude the right to increase the reverse employer role and the responsibility. So this is to the chance responsibility and or promotion this direction to employer. Compensation and benefits. Compensation and benefits is the include the following term and condition, the agreement and talk employee plan. So the salary is the 2,500 with the monthly evolution and the rate increase. Estimate appropriate set amount to determine the supervision. So the paychecks is follow. So the each monthly paycheck is your first and 15th day every month. Next, confidentiality. Confidentiality, unauthorized disclosure. Disclosure within to after employment period. So the employment period, this is to any individual of company and the documentation, information, knowledge pertaining to the operation or business employer to subsidiaries affiliates. So the employee agree as follow. One, to confidential information include. Two, the confidential information exclude. Three, employees shall not copy. And then to less unauthorized disclosure. Unauthorized disclosure is to the employer. The employer shall also be entitled pursue other legal remedies as might deem it appropriate for any loss and or damage incurred result of any unauthorized disclosure made by the employee during after termination of employment. remedies. So the remedies is solve the employee at any time to the confidentiality and authorizing disclosure to the set forth into the employer reserve right to the immateriality. This is to and such breach the employer shall be entitled to any legal remedy or injunction to deem it appropriate by employer of court of law. Okay, so the first amendment of agreement, any to the mutual agree upon writing by both parties. So, employer and employee. Furthermore, and start that for the amendment to the original employment contract. Okay, uh, termination agreement is that at will termination by either employee or employer upon the employee death. So the cause shall include the limited to gross material damage employee will for breach of agreement. To the termination of agreement, shall the provide minimum advance written notice 5 day, employer minimum and advance written notice at 7 day by the employee. So this last to the one date of agreement and parties Mark 5 uh, to 2019, when Smith and Leno's American Motorsport 2 position and duties marketing manager, specific responsibility, 3 compensation and benefits, and benefit is salary 2,500 to termination of agreement at will employment employed that uh, leads to confidentiality, interest, disclosure, and agreement between both parties to prevent the employee from disclosing confidential information during after the termination of employment. So this might explain to the employment contract. So the I'm sorry. So the my speaking to little bit is my English. This is my video. Thank you. Yes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.